This is my unboxing of the Rockville 50 Farad capacitor. So let's open that right here. This is how it comes in the box. Get the 50 Farad capacitor and get how to wire it. This is exactly how it is. This okay, and nothing else. Basically, that's what you get in the box. Just put this over here. Let's take this out the plastic. So this is a plastic cover, and this seems to be plastic too. Don't seem to be metal, but I might be wrong about that. If you can see in there, it says this is step 0 gauge. I believe these are 4 gauges. This is a remote turned on right here, and so this is supposed to be the ground and this is supposed to be the power, or is it the other way around? I think this is the power and this is the ground. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. Do I have something to take this off? How do you take this off? Give me a moment. So to get it off, you have to unscrew these right here, which you have to screw through these holes. So you can just unloosen them and just pull up from there. So this is the positive side and this is the negative side, so which is pretty cool, and it's step 0 gauge, and I believe this is 4 gauge or 8 gauge. The build quality is not very good what I was expecting it to be, because if you see right there, I wasn't expecting that. And there's some right there. Wasn't really expecting this to be plastic either. I thought it would be metal or something. So we'll see how it is once I hook it up, and see how much the difference due to my sound system. And I'm in it right there.